This video is just to show how I've changed around my workshop a little bit. So those two pieces right there in the center, those are going to be a two-story birdhouse that I'm building right now. That's a 4 by 8 foot piece of pegboard. So I even get some of my clamps that I use a lot. There's a lot more that's buried. I haven't got them up there yet. Got my chargers for my batteries, a couple extra tools. There's my pressure pot for doing resins, and down there's my little compressor. So on this wall, these are a lot of the tools I'll use a lot. And then of course I've got my mechanics tools over here. I used to wrench and build hot rods and motors and engines, and I've kind of given that up as I've gotten older because of the tear of the body. Woodworking seems to be a lot lighter and a lot easier. So anyway, that's the new starting of what will be the new workshop that I finish. Enjoy.